Traders, it's 9 a.m. London session about to open. I'm gonna hop on the charts and I'll update you guys when I see a setup, if I see a setup. Okay, so I'm officially entered into this trade on Euro US dollar. We'll run you through it quick fast if you can't see already what's gone on. Basically, EU had this SMT over here. Yes, I learned what an SMT is. Crazy, isn't it? And it broke structure to the downside. Now, I entered off of the breaker structure immediately. I could have maybe waited for a pullback, but that's fine. So, yeah, now it's a waiting game. I'm not going to sit here the whole time while this trade plays out, because knowing my trades and the history of my trades, it could take a long while. So I'm not about to sit here the whole time. It's now 25 to 10, so it took about half an hour for my setup to come. I'm probably just going to sit here for a few more minutes, just check it out, and then I'm going to go sort out like breakfast or something. Maybe I'll sort out breakfast now and then come sit here. But I'm only going to sit until like 10 o'clock. Then I'm getting up and going about my day. Yeah, boys, it's now basically 10:30. So I've been sitting here a lot longer than I was planning to. This trade is playing around with me. So I feel like I'm just going to go make breakfast and then go on about my day. I'm going to close my laptop now and I'll show you what is happening with the trade right now. And then, yeah, but I'm going to show you what's happening. Then I'm going to go close my laptop and go make breakfast, and then we'll see what happens today. You'll see here, the trade was in drawdown, came back to about break even. We were in a little bit of profit, and now it's just shooting up again. Yeah, man. Odds are it's going to hit my stop loss, but we got to wait it out. One of my key rules is that once I've taken the trade, I've got to kind of trust the process and just let it do what it's going to do. And while, yes, this looks very much like it's going to hit stop loss, I'm just not going to close it. It's happened many times where price goes freaking to my stop loss, like right there by my stop loss, and it reverses and it runs to at least a 1 to 1, 1 to 2. So is that gonna happen now based on the volume that I'm getting here? No, it's gonna hit my stop loss, but I'm just gonna let it do its thing. I'm gonna close my laptop now, and then yeah, let's go on with the day. Let's switch this shit off. Bye. Put him off. Cool.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, I literally had breakfast, devoured my breakfast, came back, had a look at my phone, and saw that price absolutely smashed through my stop loss. So we took a 1% loss today. This was taken on my 25k fund account. It's okay. It is okay. How do I feel about it? I'm alright. You know what? Like I said, I saw it coming. Kind of, sort of. I was hoping it reverses, but it didn't. Yeah. I'm probably gonna go take a nap now, and then you'll probably only be updated tomorrow if I trade again. So yeah. But that's okay. Took a loss today. It's fine. On to the next. Yeah, boys, I had to quickly get dressed and jump in the car. I gotta come get supper, so I'm gonna go order the food quick fast. Yeah, this is the first time I've left the house since this week began. Today's Tuesday. It's already supper time. Yeah, it's good to be back out, man. Food has been secured. I'm just gonna chow down this Hungry Lion food while I watch my show. Yeah, I'm watching November. Shut up. And then I'll see you guys in the morning. Cheers, guys.
The next day.
Morning, guys. So I have just entered the trade and I'm going to show you what the trade looks like. It is now 20 minutes past 9, so we've been sitting here for about 20 minutes and the setup has come. So I'm going to show you what we entered. So over here, this is Euro US dollar. I'll show you on the 15. We saw price tap into this gap, 15-minute fair value gap over there. And I'll be honest, I entered a bit prematurely. I'll be so honest with you, because where is it now? I needed price to break and close above this line over here. You see it broke above and I kind of entered because I thought it's just going to shoot up, but clearly not. But yeah, that's okay. We're already in. We're looking for a 1 to 2 obviously, and then my alert is set to go break even at a 1 to 1 over there. So let's hope for the best. Okay guys, I've made myself breakfast. Yes, I'm having noodles for breakfast. Shut up. And I've come to see this on the 15-minute chart. Let me go to the 3-minute. Yeah, price is really hovering around my stop loss. It's like it wants to. It's like my stop loss is calling it at this point. And it sucks. It sucks ass. Because this is impatience that caught me over here. And now I'm paying for it. Okay, so I have now finished my breakfast. It's basically 10:30, so I'm going to get off the charts right now. I'll show you what the trade is doing at the moment. So you can see we're still in very much drawdown, but it's pushing up a bit nicely. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to shut this off because I don't want to look at it anymore. It's pissing me off. And yeah, I'm going to go medicate myself now because I'm still feeling freaking sick. But I'm going to go medicate myself now and then probably just take a nap or chill for a bit. And then later I've got some things that I gotta get done. Okay, I'm gonna go medicate and I'm gonna let this trade play out, and obviously I'll update you as we go about. So I've woken up from a nap and I saw that Euro US dollar smashed to my stop loss. Yeah, 2 days in a row, it's crazy. Maybe I shouldn't go that long without trading, eh? Anyway, I saw another setup on GJ and I entered that. Then if we lose that trade, we are down 3% on the account. But if we win the trade, then we are essentially break even, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, let's see how it goes. The trade is currently running as buys on GBP JPY. I'm gonna get dressed because I have to go somewhere, and then I'll take you with me and I'll update you as the trade goes. Cool, I've made a stop at the mall now. I need to come get my controller fixed. I had this one fixed already because these two buttons also weren't working. So I had this one fixed. Now I gotta get this one fixed. I had to wait for my payout to come. So I'm gonna get that fixed and then I might just run into the mall, get some things, but I'll see. I've just seen also that my trade did take profit with GBP JPY. I didn't clock today with CPI, but when I saw it just absolutely shot to my take profit, not complaining at all. So shout to my TP, shout out CPI for helping me out. So the account is now back to break even. Maybe from tomorrow we can look to secure some profits and maybe some good profits to get that payout. So I'm gonna head in now and then, yeah, get these things fixed. Cool, I've dropped the controllers off. The guy said he's gonna need at least 1 to 2 days. Well, he said the one controller will be 1 day, the other controller could be like a couple of days, which is not ideal. Anyway, I've been asked to come to Clicks. There was a Clicks at the mall where I was at. I was at Cape Gate. But I decided, you know what, there's a Clicks close to our house and it's not gonna be as busy. So I've come to this now. So I gotta get some things because people in our household have the flu, including myself, which is ass cheeks, but I'm recovering. So yeah, let's go to Clicks. Oh, package is secured. Now we go home.
Day 3.
Morning traders. Today is Thursday, 11th June. Let's hop on the charts. I'm already late actually. It's already 2 minutes past 9. So let's hop on for London session. So I'm seeing a very clean buy opportunity here. The only issue is it's on the 15-minute time from a GU. We had our sweep over there, clear breaker structure, it's pulled back a little bit as well. So if I take this, it'll be clean setup. It's just a matter of it's probably going to take a lot longer to actually play out. So I'm not sure how interested I am in this. Like, it's a really nice setup. Do I take it though? That's the question. Okay, I have entered my trade. I accidentally took it on GBP JPY when I wanted to enter on GBP USD, but I corrected that. I closed it out quick fast, so I lost like $10 on the GJ trade. But we're in now on GBP USD, automatically in drawdown, by the way. I'll show you the setup. So on the 15-minute, we swept sell side liquidity over here. That's my red line. Okay, it's more on that side now. And we got a very clean breaker structure. Price pulled back into my fair value gap over there. Got a beautiful reaction. And so I entered over there. I should have been entered lower down like here, but because I accidentally took the trade on GJ, yeah, I wasted some time. Anyway, there's my break even point over there. It's 1 to 1. Let's see how this plays out. Now, I have taken setups on the 15-minute before, and this is how I know that generally they do take longer to play out, because I have done it before and it's exactly the same as taking it on the 3-minute or the 1-minute or the 5-minute. Again, it's just a matter of it takes longer to play out. So I could be in this trade all day, but you already know. I'll update you on what happens. I actually have an exam I have to do now that I put off. I'm starting this later. I'm starting this exam later because I decided to open the charts first. You gotta get your priorities straight, you know. Anyway, I'm gonna open on my exam and then I'll let you know how the trade goes. Trade update. We have a big update here. As you can see, I'm now in sells because, let me tell you why. I was in buys, but now I'm in sells. I came to realize, look at this shite. Price actually took out buy side over here, right? I saw that. I did. Then what did price go and do? Price chose to go and break structure because this was your low. Boom. Why is this thing not working? Oh. Boom. Price went and broke structure over here, right? We see that. So the reason I closed my buys is because price didn't actually break structure to the upside. We'll see here. Where have your high, your low? There's your high. Price didn't create another high after this one, so that becomes your low, breaking structure. And if for me to be looking for buys, price should have broken structure above there, but it didn't. Instead, it came down to here, didn't break above there, tapped into the 50%, and yeah, I changed my position to sells. I closed out my buy positions. Closed out at about a $80 loss for the buys, and I'm in sells. So if this doesn't go my way, then I'm down just over 1% for the day, which is fine. So let's hope for the best. Again, it's on the 15 minutes, so it could take a while. It's funny because I was in the middle of my exam and then I checked up on the chart and I was like, wait, something's wrong. Now I'm trying to fix it. Let's hope I was right here. Only time will tell, eh?
Later.
So guys, I had to close out the trade on GBP USD because of PPI. So I closed out in like a profit of 100 and something dollars, meaning I end the day in profit of, I believe it's about $40, just under $40. So that's where I'm gonna end the video. Yes, I'm driving now. I went shopping with my friend quick fast. That's where I'm gonna end the video. Please make sure you leave a like on the video if you enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel if you are new, which most of you are. Subscribe, more videos to come. I'm telling you, we're grinding on this bad boy. Road to 100K, here we come. I'll see you guys soon.